So we have this tradition in our family that whenever it's somebody's birthday, we measure their size on this shelf.
And as we celebrated the twins' birthday yesterday, it was time to measure them. First, it was Chijioke's turn, and I had to make sure he was not on his toes for cheating, because that's what everybody likes to do. Because, of course, there's a competition as to who is the tallest and who grew most. But competing against his ejima at this age is nearly impossible for Chijioke. This girl at 12 years nearly reached my size. Even Uche, the cameraman, didn't know what to video again.
So, as you can see, we've started here. Uche showed them. Chijo at 1. Siora at 1. Yergo at 1. Chijo at 2. Siora at 2. Uche at 2. 3. Then this one we didn't measure you guys when you're 3. But 4 years. 5 years. Almost the same size. 6 years. Siora started to overtake. 7 years. Siora is up here. 8. 9, 10, 12. Look, in 2 years' time.
Wat? Is het Uche Tani?
That's Uche at 10, yeah?
Ich nu niet.
Yeah, you're a girl. Don't worry, they will still. This is me. This is Ezanwa. Go, Lugu Papa. Go, my brother. So they still have space to grow. So we'll be tracking their heights. For now, Zero is leading everybody. Very soon the boys will catch up. As you can see, me, I'm here. My brother is up here. So when I was 12, I was also taller than my brother. Because girls grow quick, but they will still catch up, these boys.